Bienvenue and welcome to 150 Days of Winter.
Hello! 7 screws, 1 plate.
Bienvenue and welcome to 150 Days of Winter. If you're new to this channel, my name is Alex, and when I'm not skiing, and of course it's the summer at the moment, I fix computers and stuff. Today, for the first time in 7 years, I'm going to be doing some maintenance on my 2013 Macbook Pro Retina, which after 7 years of faithful service has given me a battery service message, which is understandable with lithium-ion batteries being as they are. We're going to go and change the battery from this, which I can tell from experience is one of the longest and tedious tasks to do that I have done on most computers. It's so heavily glued in and it's not in a plastic case, so it's uber fragile. Now before I do, currently the computer has about 80% battery on it, which, because a good rule of thumb when you are doing this is to discharge it below 20%. I think that's the rule, because these batteries are in theory just in little like plastic bags. I don't want to pierce anything and I don't want anything to go off. So really, yes, before we can actually take this apart, I need to use this for the next couple of hours. When I say next couple of hours, actually I need to use it for about half an hour, which will probably take it down from 80 down to 20. You know, open up Chrome, open up a few tabs, and before you know it, boom, it's empty. So of course the next question comes, where do you go and get your battery from? I believe and every laptop is different. For really, really old MacBooks, the ones with the DVD drives, go and buy something off Amazon. The cost benefits of buying with the older ones, that buying off Amazon's guarantee many times when a battery has failed in the first year, the returns thing on Amazon has been absolutely amazing. However, when it comes to MacBook Pro Retinas, it's slightly different, I think. And as I said, you get what you pay for. So, and this is the first for me, although, you know, I've bought a lot of stuff from iFIXIT, like toolkits, because again, in my opinion, best. This is the first time I've actually bought batteries from iFIXIT, because again, this is my personal device, and even though it's lasted me 7 years, I would like it to last me even longer. And again, here is my little personal recommendation. When you go and buy a battery from iFIXIT, you have two options. You can either buy the battery on their own, or you can buy it along with the kit to change it. Okay. Also, they shipped a little thing of Haribo. Thank you, iFIXIT. However, and the difference between this and both of these is like 10 euros. I think it's about 10, 15 euros difference between buying the battery on its own and buying with the kit. And when you see what you get in the kit, it's well worth it. Okay, so literally in their kit, and this isn't an unboxing at all, you get some isopropyl alcohol to remove the glue. You get a toolkit. Now go on to iFIXIT's website and go and look for this toolkit. This toolkit costs more than this whole pack if you bought it, because we're dealing with batteries, some safety glasses, which I'm sorry, don't take that as a thing. I just don't think I need safety glasses. Yeah, so purely just for this part of the toolkit, this is worth more than 15 euros. I have an older toolkit that I've been using for years, and all the guitar picks and things like this are all so broken and scratched up from use that all of this will go to replace all of that. Buy the battery with the toolkit. Okay? And no, this video is not sponsored by iFixit. I have just had such a good experience of purchasing their products in the past. That's why I've done it again. You'll be glad to know that I'm not actually going to be filming the actual replacement. You might get a time lapse because it is very long and very tedious. So without further ado, this is how I did it. There you have it, 3/4 of an hour's work, and we've got a brand new battery in there, which is so far looking really good. I was quite impressed by the iFixit adhesive remover. I mean, all it is some isopropyl alcohol, but it's very good at removing that stubborn glue that's below the battery cells. Previously I've used heat. That is a far better solution in my opinion. Well, there you go. That is how you change a battery on a 2013 MacBook Pro Retina. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. If you'd like to support our channel, drop a subscription and give us a like, and I will see you all in the next video. Ciao.